When it comes to choosing a powerful language model for your team, ChatGPT Enterprise and Anthropic Claude for Business are two of the top contenders. Both are built for collaboration, security, and serious work, but they each bring a different vibe. Let's walk through what makes them different, and when one might be a better fit than the other. ChatGPT Enterprise is designed to scale with your organization. It gives you corporate-level tools like single sign-on, role-based permissions, and controls for how team members access and share information. Because it is deeply integrated into OpenAI's broader ecosystem, you get excellent developer support and seamless API access. The model handles a wide variety of tasks really well, from brainstorming, drafting, summarizing, and even helping people troubleshoot. One of its biggest strengths is its long context window. You can feed in long documents or maintain detailed conversations, and the model keeps track of what matters. That makes it ideal for teams that need to collaborate on reports, projects, or detailed planning. You also benefit from strong data security. Conversations are encrypted, and your business data is not used to train OpenAI's public models by default. On the other hand, Claude for Business brings something uniquely powerful to the table. It excels with huge amounts of context and long-form reasoning. Claude has a context window that can handle very large documents, which is a big deal if your team works with research reports, legal contracts, or technical specifications. That capacity means you can load in entire documents and ask complex questions that require deep understanding and analysis. For developers, Claude for Business often includes Claude Code, which is tuned for writing, debugging, and explaining code. It makes Claude a strong partner for engineering teams or for any group that needs help interpreting and generating technical content. Like ChatGPT Enterprise, Claude's business plan includes enterprise controls. Account administrators can manage users, set up seat-based licensing, and enforce governance policies. So how do you choose between the two? If your team's work is very collaborative, often creative, and relies on being able to jump in and out of conversations or documents, ChatGPT Enterprise is probably your best bet. It is smooth, integrated, and powerful, while still being easy for everyone to use. But if your workflows are research-intensive, if you feed in long documents, or if you want a model that can really reason through large pieces of text or code, Claude for Business may be the smarter choice. Claude is more analytical and excels where context really matters. At the end of the day, both are high-quality, general-purpose language models. The right one for you depends on whether you prioritize creative collaboration or deep, structured analysis.